Popular home remedies for nail fungus. If you have thick, brittle, discolored toenails, it is probable that you might have nail fungus. This condition, also known as onychomycosis, is a condition that starts as a tiny white or yellow discoloration under the nail. This is due to the infection caused by the fungus, which has managed to gain entry past the one effective barrier provided by your nails. Because the fungus has now taken up residence under the nails, it makes it all the more difficult to treat. The discoloration grows larger and larger until the whole of the nail turns yellow, and the nail becomes brittle, which makes it prone to breakage. In severe cases, the nail eventually separates from the nail bed, a painful and unsightly condition that leaves the sufferer unable to do simple activities like walking or running. Some people suffer a great deal of embarrassment because the infection also produces a foul odor. But like any problem, there is always a solution, and that solution may not be that expensive or hard to find. In the case of nail fungus, there are a wide variety of medications that your doctor can recommend that are very effective in treating you of your nail fungus. However, there are also other remedies that others swear that will cure you of your fungus, and all these you will most likely see in your kitchen or medicine cabinet. Before trying out the medications recommended by the doctor, why not give a few of these home remedies for nail fungus a try? 1. Antiperspirant. The fungus thrives well in moist and dark environments, so to keep your feet from sweating too much, apply unscented antiperspirant on it, especially if you wear closed shoes for most of the day. This will keep your feet sweat-free, thus controlling the growth of your fungus. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties. Just rub a few drops of the oil on your toes and you're ready to go. You can do this a couple of times throughout the day. 3. Tea tree oil and lavender oil. You can put a few drops of tea tree oil and an equal amount of lavender oil on a cotton ball and apply it on your toenails. The tea tree oil will help fight the fungal infection while lavender oil will prevent irritation. 4. Listerine mouthwash. You can soak your feet in a basin of Listerine mouthwash. Listerine is a very good antiseptic, which is effective in fighting the infection. Some would recommend using a vinegar and Listerine tandem, because you will see results faster this way. You actually have a lot of choices of home remedies for nail fungus that you can choose from, and all these you can easily find at home, in your kitchen or medicine cabinet. Just keep in mind that these may work for you because they have worked for so many others, but different home remedies may work differently for various kinds of toenail infections, and home remedies usually take a few months for you to see the complete effects. But, using your own home remedy for nail fungus and with a little patience and a bit of discipline, you'll have that toenail fungus gone in no time. Treating your nail fungus. Nail fungus is an awful condition that can really be bothersome. It is a condition in which a fungus invades the skin in and around the nail bed. It can happen in either the toes or the fingers and can be quite uncomfortable as well as noticeable. But, there are several things that you can do to fight off these nail fungus problems, and it starts with an education about them. Symptoms of nail fungus. There are several ways to know if you have nail fungus. Nails will change in some way as an indication that there is a problem. Brittleness and discoloration are evident. You will find that nail fungus can also cause a thickening of the nail or even a distortion of the nail's actual shape. The nail could lose its shine and luster and will often begin to loosen. If you have these conditions, you will want to seek the advice of your family doctor. The doctor will probably simply tell you and begin treatment for nail fungus, but a culture will tell for sure if you have a nail fungus. The causes of nail fungus. Nail fungus is caused by a number of different microorganisms. Most of the time, bacteria or fungi are the main culprits. While a small amount of these organisms is actually good for the body, some will grow quickly and then form infections that lead to conditions such as nail fungus. They feed off of the dead tissues that are found from the hair, nails, and on the skin. Fungal infections can be caused by mold-like fungi. These could be such conditions as athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. Other fungus is yeast-like fungi and would include such conditions as diaper rash, oral thrush, and genital rashes. Most of the time, nail fungus happens on the toes and recurs often. It can be picked up from public areas such as swimming pools or shower rooms. Those individuals who sweat a lot have an increased chance of getting and keeping nail fungus infections because they thrive on wet, moist areas. Treating nail fungus. Unfortunately, treating nail fungus is difficult and often is impossible. Many people start with creams thinking that they will work, but unfortunately, they have little chance of fighting off the infection. Oral medications are available to help. Sporanox and Lamisil are two that are commonly given, but the side effects of these medications often cause them to be not worth the risk. And, they often will take several months to show any improvement. Still, reoccurrences will happen. The only way for it to be cured is for new, non-infected nails to grow in place of the badly infected ones. It is wise to contact your health care provider to talk about solutions to your nail fungus problems. They can offer input in how to treat and how to overcome these conditions. Complications of nail fungus include permanent damage to the nail itself, skin infections which are secondary, as well as the common recurrent nail fungus infections. The best prevention of nail fungus is proper hygiene. Keeping the skin in the area of the nail fungus clean and dry will help to alleviate some of the inflammations. Take care of the nails and always wash and dry your hands after you have touched the affected area of the body.